Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KLX230R trail bike, 4-stroke, electric start, green sticker. This bike just arrived with low hours, great condition, brand new back tire. Come on by, make your 230 trail bike dreams come true for just $43.99. Save all that freight and setup off the new prices. We have financing available. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.